Let us look at the roast profile. Write down roast profile. Roast profile, stroke, level of roasting. Roast profile, stroke, level of roasting. Roast profile, stroke, level of roasting. So number one, we have light roast. Light roast. So what are the characteristics of light roast? Number one, it is light brown in color. Light brown in color. Light brown in color. Number two, high in acidity. High in acidity. Number three, roasting time 9 minutes. Roasting time 9 minutes. Another point, they have a fruity smell. So when you start roasting coffee, you'll get a different kinds of smell. For example, you'll get a fruity smell or popcorn smell or grassy smell. Popcorn, grassy, fruity, toasty. Sorry? Under light roast. Yeah, you might get the smell of popcorn when you start roasting the green coffee beans. You might get the smell of toast when you are now toasting bread. Okay, you can get that toasty smell or even grassy smell. Level roast number two, or roast profile number two, is medium roast. Medium brown in color. The color is medium brown. Roasting time 16 minutes. Another point, sweeter in taste. Balanced in flavor and acidity. Balanced in flavor and acidity. The next roast profile is medium dark roast. Medium dark roast. Medium dark roast. Darker in color. Darker in color. Flavor emerge and acidity disappears completely. Flavor emerge and acidity disappear completely. Has got some oils on the surface. So medium dark roast has got some oils on the surface. So in light roast, you don't see any oil. Medium roast, you don't see any oil. But come medium dark, you see some oils on the surface. Now for the medium dark roast, we don't have time. We don't have time for it. And we'll explain why. Light roast, we said 9 minutes roasting time. Medium, we said 16. But when it comes to medium dark roast, we don't have time. But they are saying that the flavor emerge. So it's upon you to emerge that flavor the way you want in medium dark roast. It's you to play now with the timing for you to get it right. Okay? Then the final one is the dark roast. dark roast. Darker, smoky taste. It is dark. It has got a bitter smoky taste. Sorry, bitter smoky taste. Very oily on the surface. Very oily on the surface. Very oily on the surface. And roasting time 30 minutes. Roasting time 30 minutes. So talking about the roasting time will depend with the moisture content in the bean. Bean with a lot of moisture will take more time to roast. Bean that is dry will take lesser time to get roasted, isn't it? So when you're roasting beans, the moisture content will dictate time. The bigger the bean, we say when the bean is big, again it will take more time to be roasted. Small beans will burn very quickly, isn't it? So as much as I'm talking about the 30 minutes or the 9 minutes or 16 minutes, things might be different in that coffee shop you'll be working in, because size of the bean differs. Like we talked about grade AA to be big, while TT is small. Remember? So when it comes to time, it will depend on the moisture content in the bean, the density of that bean, the size of that bean. All those will contribute to the amount of time required for you to roast that coffee beans.